episode of Jailbreak Bros.
But we're police.
We're police now. The first episode.
No.
I'm Thomas. That's Henry. Now get in the car.
Why can't we get a little motorbike?
If you want, you can buy it.
No, I don't have enough money.
I'm saving it.
Oh, I still have the same money that I had last time.
Yes, you do. Oh yeah, it's V.
How much is it?
Oh God,
It's
arrest.
got 2 seats.
Taser them! Taser them! They're getting away!
Oh yeah, them. I tasered them.
There we go.
Yes.
We lock them up. They're gonna disappear.
We can't buy that. We can get this.
Why am I ejecting people? Anyway. To be honest, it's kind of fun as well being a police officer. Some people say that it's bad being a police officer because you...
But it's fun because you just go around arresting people like la la la, arrest you.
That's not really relevant.
Yeah, sometimes we don't arrest them. Well, a lot of the time.
Stop talking things that aren't really relevant. Do you even know what relevant means?
No.
Wow.
What does it mean? That's pretty good. I don't know.
Relevant means like it's something to do with it. When I say it's not relevant, it means that it's got nothing to do with what I've just been talking about.
I don't know. Jump out! I don't know. No.
Go away.
No.
Okay. I wonder, who should we arrest? And Henry, try not to get pickpocketed. Or jump out. Just get in the car.
Okay, I'm trying. I'm in. Driving at the speed limit.
Okay.
Oh no. I thought we were gonna.
Oh, that's...
Is it? Oh no, he's a prisoner.
I'm following them. We've got an even faster car.
Have we got a...
Oh, they're trying to rob the bank, huh?
Get him! Jump! Get him!
Help me then.
Yes, I robbed him!
Robbed him is the wrong word. Now you're dead.
But, and then I had 4,000. Oh. I don't even have a... Oh, I do have a gun. I need a torch. Torch! Give me
And I'm
torch!
just gonna taser one of them and be like,
I'm dead.
oh God, they're coming.
Run! I'm dead.
They popped my tires.
But I've got
Wow.
loads of money. I killed one of them. No, I got one of them in prison, so I've got loads of money. And
Okay.
it looks really good. So,
Okay.
bank. Wait, can I? What does this button do? It's a big left button. What's it do? You can't. Oh, open that.
Oh, do you have a pistol? I'm gonna get a flashlight. That gun.
Oh, Thomas, I'm at, oh, Thomas.
And this gun. This is my favorite.
Do you want to be a, police and then I'll be a prisoner?
I'll just arrest you.
Yeah, but still, I want to be.
Sure, I'm just gonna leave the army base. Yup.
Prisoner comfort. I'm a prisoner.
I'm just gonna keep arresting you though.
Maybe not.
Maybe I am. Maybe I am. Okay. Well, these horrible people, huh? Just go in. Down through the elevator shaft. I'm not robbing a bank. I'm a good person. That's the exit. Then where is the entrance? Oh, they're trying to shoot me.
Even though you're a police.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they can still shoot.
Okay, never mind. Anyway, we are the Jailbreak Bros. Okay.
I'm going somewhere I don't think you'll think I should go.
Okay.
Unusual. You can't look at my screen, you know.
I know, but the point is I'm getting a helicopter. I'm gonna get my helicopter.
Oh no, why has it done this again?
Helicopter time, helicopter time, helicopter time, time. Oh god, did I just crash it? No!
Oh no, the end of the world is there.
What is the
No,
end of the
literally,
world?
I'm next to the end of the world.
Oh, the tunnel with like cones that leads into blackness.
No, I've gone the wrong way. You're not allowed to go. Oh, what's that?
Oh no, the helicopter's just...
That's just a...
Someone stole my helicopter! I'm just gonna wait until another one spawns. Come
Oh
on.
no.
Come on. Spawn helicopter. Oh, it is you. Oh, I wonder, can I shoot people and then kill them from the roof? Like this? And then I can jump down and I can be like... And then I kill them. And I've done a good job. And then probably, when I go back up, there will be the helicopter that I can find Henry with and arrest him. You know what, I'm just gonna go into town. Oh, and I can buy explosives. Sure. Yes. Why did I even do that now? Oh, look, it's a mystery crate falling down with money in it. I guess I'm going to be the only one that gets it. Oh. Sad life for everyone else. I'm picking up the briefcase, I got
Thomas.
Yeah?
I might have find still me. Oh, you see what I am.
Probably. I'm going to take my horse toward it. I'll turn around and gonna ride until I can't.
There was just an explosive drop. Oh, wow! Explosives are dropping!
Yeah, they're from me.
Oh no. I'm gonna run. I'm underneath the... Whoa! I'm gonna drive away. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Let me in. I'm a police.
You're not a place. I'm skydiving down to arrest you. Now my helicopter's still stuck.
No.
But it's still a bomb, so who cares? I could still...
Now I'm a police and I need to get you.
What the hell?
Okay,
No.
I'll just be a police for all the time now.
Okay, I'm just gonna change the skin of my helicopter. I'm just gonna drop the last 2 explosives.
Let me out, I'm a police. In a cell.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I
Put down
didn't.
the...
I was a police in a cell, what?
I remember there used to be like a little Hot Wheels track there. There isn't anymore. I'm giving down.
How much time do we have left?
We have quite a lot of time left.
Gummy bear!
Oh, I didn't realise that would happen. Oh! Wow. Well, that's probably the end now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.
I'm gonna put
It
my
is now
camera
the
on.
end. Goodbye.